Hello everyone, welcome to JL Academy. So, yesterday we have seen how to count number of vowels and consonants. So, today we will see the next question. That is, suppose I have a sentence. Okay, like I am from JL Academy. Here my requirement is I have to count the number of characters that is repeated. Okay, so that means suppose if I see here a is there. Okay, in this sentence a is repeated three times. Okay, I have to print a followed by the number of times it is repeated. If you see here, here is a. I am A is here one first time and the second time and third time. Okay. If you take I, character I, it is repeated only once. Okay. And M, if you take M, it is repeated three times. One first time, second time, and third time. In this way, I need to read each and every character and print the number of times it is repeated. Okay. Let me write a code for the same. This is the string. So here my logic is what I will do is I will read the each character, okay, and I will store it in a hash map. If I find it is a second time repeated, I will increment the counter, okay, in a hash map. Okay, and if it is the first time it is occurring, then I will initialize with the one. Okay, so for that I have to create a key and value using the hash map. Okay, let me create a hash map. So here I have to check it character wise, right? So that is the reason I have to create a hash map with the key as a character and value as a integer. Okay. So here I have created a map. No hash map. Let me create this. I have created a hash map. Now here character is a key and integer is a integer value. So here character means each character from the string will be stored as a character and the number of times it is repeated will be stored as a in the value, that is integer. So now I have to read each and every character, right? Let me write a for loop to read each and every character. For integer I is equal to 0, I is lesser than str dot length. Okay, and I plus plus. Okay, now I have to check in my hash map. Suppose if the hash map key contains map dot key contains contains key str dot character at character index I. Okay, here what I am doing is first I am checking before I number of times character repeated the count. I have to check whether the key contains map contains that key or not. How do we check? We can use contains key method and give the character which we want to check. Okay, what I will do, suppose if it contains already, if map map dot put I will mention the character str dot character I. And again here I have to increment. So if because we are checking if it is already contains key means it's already we have added to the map. So that means we are adding second time, third time. In that case what we have to increment the count. That is a nothing but a hash map value. How do I do that? Map dot get the current value of that we have to get like this, and plus one I have to increment one. Okay, suppose if it is already present, this is the logic. We have what we have to do, we have to increment the value count. Okay, suppose if it is happening for the first time, if that character is coming or we're inserting into a map for the first time, then what we have to do, map dot put that character comma first time means it should be one. Okay, so here this is the logic. What we are doing is simply we are reading each and every character from the string. Then first, like we are checking if the map already contains that key. Okay, that means we have to increase the value, that which is nothing but a value that is integer. Okay, that is the reason here we have added +1. Okay, suppose if it is happening coming for the first time, like it is occurring for the first time, then we have to initialize with the value 1. In this way we can write a logic. Okay, let me print the value now. Let me print map, run it. Okay, see here a is repeated and this is the space. We are printing space also. If you don't want to space, you can ignore them. You can write a code for that. Okay, for time being I have included this space as well. Okay, character a is repeated 3 times, c is repeated only once, d repeated one time, like that. Here in this way we can achieve the number of characters present in a string. Okay, yeah, that's all for today. Thank you. We will continue with the next question.